Hey everyone, Karen here from Big Cartel's support team. Today we are going to talk about switching themes. Maybe you've been wanting to switch themes or update to the new version of Luna, but you're worried about being able to recreate that amazing color scheme you've created for your shop. Or maybe you can't find your original slideshow images and you don't want to lose them forever when you make the switch. Well, I'm going to show you how to find the color codes for your color scheme, save the images you've uploaded, and save changes you may have made to your theme's default code. And that will make switching themes even easier since your design changes are replaced by the theme defaults when you click to save your new theme. On a side note, if you just want to start fresh with a new theme and leave the past behind, then head to the Themes section in the Admin's Design area, choose your new theme, click Save, and boom, you're done. Another side note before we get started. If you're using a custom theme, then you'll want to check with your theme provider to make sure that your custom theme will still work if you update or switch themes. While a simple MailChimp pop-up should be super easy to add back in, a fully custom theme may not be, so cover your bases and check with your theme provider first. Now for those folks who do want to save their design elements, we're going to start here in the storefront, and I'm using Luna. When we're finished saving our images, colors, and code, I'm going to update to the newest version of Luna, but these steps will apply no matter what theme you choose. Let's first save this header image and these slideshow images so we can upload them again. On Mac, you'll place your mouse on the image you want to save, then hold down Control and right-click. On PC, you'll just right-click. Choose Save Image As, then click to save your image. The steps for saving slideshow images are the same. Hover on the image you want to save, hold down Control, then right-click, choose Save Image As, then save your image. And you'll repeat those steps with all your slideshow images. Now, once your images are saved, you'll head over to the Design area to save your color choices and your custom code. To find your color codes, you'll click on a color field, and let's start at the top here with background color. Just click the color field, and at the top here, you'll see the color code. So for the background, I'm currently using F0, F0, F0. Save that color code and make a note that it's for the background, and then continue down the list, saving all of your color choices. You can also make a note of your font choices while you're here. Next up, let's download the current theme code, and that'll save any custom changes you've made so you can just re-add those changes back in. Pop over to the Advanced section, and then click Download Current Theme. And that will save any changes you've made to your theme's HTML or CSS. Now that we've downloaded our theme images and code and made a note of our color and font choices, we're ready to update to the new version of Luna. So head to the Themes section, and then click Luna to get the update. Now you can see that the header is gone, as are all the slideshow images. But no worries, we've saved them, so re-adding them is a breeze. Click the wrench icon to get back to the built-in design tools. Click the plus button, choose your header image, and just re-upload it. Re-adding the slideshow images is easy too. Click the slideshow icon, click the plus button, choose one of your slideshow images, and just repeat that with all of your slideshow images until you've got them all back in place. Next, you can add your color codes back in. Click the color field, paste back in your color code, and just go down the list, adding those codes back into their corresponding fields. You can adjust your fonts while you're here as well. Lastly, hop over to the Advanced section and re-add your code changes. And when all your colors, your fonts, images, and code changes are all back in place, then click Save, and you are done. Switching themes is a snap, and now you know how to save your design images and choices so you can play around with new and updated themes with ease. If you have any questions about switching themes, then reach out to us at support@bigcartel.com, or if you're logged into the admin, you can click the speech bubble at the bottom right to send us a message that way. We are always happy to help.